If we're being honest, a lot of the people running your AI program now should have been fired for what they did to your cloud program. Instead, they got promoted. Let me show you exactly how that happened and why you're about to pay for it again. But many of the executives who screwed up cloud computing for, many of these global 2000 companies, and certainly the government organizations as well, are now in charge of AI. And in essence, they're ramping up to make the same mistakes. Now, the same people who made those mistakes are facing AI projects and AI strategies. So they burned billions on misguided cloud migrations that increased complexity without delivering proportional business value, and almost none were held accountable. And so nobody got fired. In many cases, it got promoted. And we have CIOs out there and different titles, things like that. Enterprise architects, they were, chief cloud strategy person at the enterprise, another chief AI officer at the same enterprise, are kind of gearing up to, I think, make the same blunders they made around cloud computing. So outcomes are bad enough that many of these leaders should have been fired, yet most were rewarded or promoted because nobody wanted to admit the cloud strategy had failed. And I think that's really where it comes right down to. And that's how in many cases, these hugely poor decisions, which I watched firsthand, that were made by some of these large organizations, the people who made the decisions, against better advice, namely me, still there. And now they're moving into setting up their AI strategy for failure. So they're repeating the worst sins of cloud in AI. But in many cases, these AI-based systems are going to be 10, sometimes 20 times the cost of traditional systems. And that will kill you. So you start doing that at scale, you're going to find not only are you going to be making a lot of money go away, where the value is not coming back to the business, but you're also going to position yourself as a company who's not able to take advantage of AI as a strategic differentiator for the business, and that can completely kill your business. So this keeps happening because enterprise culture punishes technical dissent and rewards optimistic PowerPoints. So, a lot of the smarter people in these companies that are raising the alarm that they're moving in the wrong direction were the ones who raised the alarm that they're moving in the wrong direction with cloud, and aren't necessarily the ones who are going to be listened to. But doing so in the AI space is going to kill you. We'll take the business right out. And I do see a lot of businesses, going away in 5 to 10 years, and we do a postmortem on why that business went down. They're going to reflect on the fact that we misspent our IT resources and we moved after AI in the wrong directions. And our competitors stepped up, did not do that. They were able to leverage AI as a true force multiplier, and they beat us.